Hello and welcome to the Lowdown. I'm Dan Carter and I'm here with Ally Burt, Global Head of Customer Experience for the AWS Enterprise Skills Transformation team. AWS training and certification have been supporting organizations for many years with cloud transformation, in particular helping large enterprises succeed with their cloud adoption using bespoke training initiatives.
Over the past 18 months, we've been bringing technology leaders together to share their experiences about what best-in-class cloud enablement looks like. From these conversations, we've identified trends and garnered insights into some of the top challenges and opportunities that these organizations have faced in their cloud enablement journeys.
The Lowdown is a series where we'll be sharing some of these observations with you, showcasing some examples from customers we've worked with, and also giving you the insights on how they've overcome these challenges themselves. So let's get straight into it. On today's episode, we're talking about something really important, measurement and metrics, and how organizations are tracking the impact of their own enablement efforts. So, Ally, tell us, how are they doing it?
Such a good question, Dan. All of our customers want to be able to track and measure their enablement efforts. And these conversations consistently lead organizations to the same question: what do we measure? We know that having a clear vision, giving people permission to experiment and learn, and building communities is key. But it's also so important to be able to take these efforts and link them back to measurement and business goals.
So based on that, is there one solution for this?
Hate to break it to you, Dan, but if you're looking for one solution, there isn't one. It's different for every organisation, and their own internal goals and strategy will impact what they need to be measuring against. Every transformation journey is unique, and so success will look different for everyone.
All right, I see that. But in your experience, Ally, what are some examples of metrics that are useful to measure?
We've seen all kinds of numbers be useful, but again, it's really specific to each organisation. It could be speed to market, cost reduction through automation, or increased efficiencies. Even traditional business metrics such as customer satisfaction or profitability can be meaningful when it comes to tracking enablement.
Okay, so based on the metrics that are most meaningful for each organisation.
Yes, you need to have a vision for the impact that you want to see and measure that. And that could look different for different teams too. There might be a metric for process simplification for operations. For example, have we eliminated unnecessary steps or automated something to save people time? For development teams, deployment cycles might be more important. There's no one-size-fits-all answer.
Okay, so is there a strategy or framework to help leaders actually tackle the measurement question?
One of the really strong themes to come out of our conversations with customers was to treat learning and skills development outcomes as a work product.
That's a really interesting perspective. What does that actually do?
By taking the product lens, you need to look at how to control cost and take these in the context of a business outcome, which could be something like a sales impact or an efficiency measure.
We know it's important to be able to see how enablement initiatives actually create real business value. Do you have any examples from real world cases of where this has actually happened?
We've seen this being done so well by Techcombank in Vietnam. They embarked on their transformation journey with really clear goals. They wanted to accelerate innovation and deliver cutting-edge digital financial services to their customers. Simultaneously, they targeted cost savings by leveraging the cloud to deliver their business applications more cost-effectively.
Okay, so they took the vision with a specific operational objective, but did that actually help them track progress towards their goals?
Yes, it did. So they measured the number of people trained in cloud, the speed of adoption of cloud projects, and cost savings. This helped demonstrate the impact of training and cultural transformation.
And are you allowed to share some of these results with us?
Absolutely. They trained more than 2,800 people on AWS. This correlated with reducing provisioning times by 90%, as well as reducing their monthly application costs by more than 30%. These measurements meant that they could show the scale of their enablement, where they were contributing to business outcomes such as time and cost savings.
That's amazing. And that is a great example of how success is going to look different at each organization.
That's right, Dan. What best practice looks like is different for every business. It's why over the years of our customer engagements, we've provided the framework and shared strategies for achieving success, but it's our customers who really drive their own enablement programs. It's so important that the program is their own and it really aligns with their business and its goals.
Thanks so much for sharing all of these insights with us, Ally.
It's been a real pleasure, Dan.
And thank you for giving us your time to watch The Lowdown. We hope it's been valuable, and we'll see you again soon.